we have 0.03 times 3. We can write that out as a column multiplication, and it doesn't matter that we don't have the place values in the question lined up, as long as we remember to copy the decimal point down into our answer so that it's directly below the decimal point in the number that we're multiplying. Now 3 times 3 is 9, 0 times 3 is 0, 0 times 3 is 0, so our answer is 0.09. Now 0.04 times 5. We need to copy down the decimal point. 4 times 5 is 20, so that's 20, with the first digit written above the next place value column along, which here is our 10ths digit. Now 0 times 5 is 0, but we need to add the 2 above, so 0 plus 2 is 2, and now 0 times 5 is 0, so we get 0.20, but we can just write that as 0.2 because we don't need to include zeros if they're on the end of decimals. All the 0 here tells us is that we don't have any hundredths, but 0.2 tells us that as well. It's not wrong to write 0.20, but usually we don't include zeros if they're on the end of decimals. So now 0.06 times 7. We copy down the decimal point. 6 times 7 is 42, so that's 42. 0 times 7 is 0, plus 4 is 4, and 0 times 7 is 0, so we get 0.42. Now 5.17 times 9. We copy down the decimal point. 7 times 9 is 63, so 63 with the first digit above the next place value column along. Now 1 times 9 is 9, plus 6 is 15, so that's 15. And 5 times 9 is 45, plus 1 is 46, so that's 46.53. 5.43 times 7. There's our decimal point. 3 times 7 is 21, so 21. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 2 is 30, so 30. 5 times 7 is 35, plus 3 is 38, so we get 38.01. Finally, we have 31.8 times 4. So this time, we're only multiplying a number with tenths, so we need to remember that when we copy down the decimal point is directly below the decimal point in the question. We don't always have 2 digits after the decimal point in our answer, and here, because our number only has tenths and not hundredths, we need to make sure that in our answer we've only got 1 square for the tenths digit, not for any hundredths digits. So 8 times 4 is 32, that's 32. 1 times 4 is 4, plus 3 is 7, and 3 times 4 is 12. So our answer is 127.2. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.